Welcome back to Nature's Wonders. In today's journey, we'll discover 5 of the most fascinating places on Earth. Number 5, the Grand Canyon, carved by time, a masterpiece of erosion. Number 4, the Fjords of Norway, where towering mountains meet the deep sea. Number 3, the Sahara Desert, an endless ocean of sand shaped by wind. Number 2, the Himalayas, the highest peaks of our planet, crowned with snow. Number 1, the Amazon rainforest, the lungs of Earth, filled with countless species of life. Each place tells a story of our planet's power and beauty. Which of these wonders would you like to see one day?